What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am sharing my recipe for these creamy and fluffy mashed potatoes. Now guys, any weeknight meal is not complete with a great side dish. You're gonna have to make something that is satisfying, that is nice and savory for your guests or your family to eat. So in today's video I'm going to be sharing this quick recipe for these mashed potatoes. They can be made within 20 minutes. It does not take that long at all. And as you guys can see, they have those nice little red bits from the red skin potatoes that I used. And it's going to be a great recipe, guys. You're going to want to try this as soon as you're done watching the video. So let's get into it. To begin making your mashed potatoes, what you're going to have to do is take as many potatoes as you would like to make, and you're going to peel them and you're going to cut them into small pieces. Remember, the smaller that you cut them, the faster they will cook. I only peeled about half of them because I want some of them to have that red skin because I like the color. If you want to peel them all, feel free to do so. And I just went in there with a little bit of salt. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is allow this to come up to a boil, and I'm going to allow them to cook thoroughly. While you're waiting for your potatoes to finish cooking, it is a good time to prepare the mixture that's going to make these potatoes really nice and creamy. So in my pot here, I'm heating up a little bit of butter. I'm going in with some milk, and for this recipe, I recommend using whole milk, and if you want, you could even mix this with heavy cream to make it more rich. I'm also going in with a good amount of garlic powder to give it a really nice garlicky flavor, and that's a secret to my mashed potatoes. And I'm going in with a good amount of black pepper. Once all of the potatoes are fully cooked and you can push a fork into it without it having any crunchiness to it, you're going to go ahead and drain them. Once they're done draining, while they're still hot, you're going to want to go ahead and start to mash them, so this way they are easier to mash. Once your potatoes are about 3/4 of the way mashed, it's time to start adding in your milk liquid. Remember, this is a liquid with the milk, the butter, the salt, the pepper, as well as the garlic powder. You want to add it in little increments and keep mashing these potatoes until they absorb all of the liquid. Now sometimes you might have about 2 tablespoons of the liquid left. That's just because sometimes the potatoes do not take as much. But if you have that problem, it's not really a problem. You just discard the extra 2 tablespoons. You don't want to add in too much of this liquid if it's not taking it, because if you do and you force the potatoes to take it, then the potatoes are going to get very tacky and it's going to be very, very mushy and not a good texture. So I ended up using all because my potatoes took it, and yours might do the same. So you want to continue mashing, allow this whole mixture to get very creamy and all mashed up, and then it will be done. Once you finish mixing in that milk mixture and you get it to your desired texture, you're going to finish it off with some sour cream. Now you can also do this with a little bit of cream cheese. I recommend doing this because it gives the potatoes a nice little tangy flavor, and of course it makes it nice and creamy. Once you get all of that sour cream mixed in, you're going to go in with a little more salt to taste if it needs it, and a little more black pepper if you think it needs it. You're going to mix it all together and you're going to serve it up. That's as quick and as simple as it is. Alright guys, I really hope you enjoyed this quick and simple recipe. Please go ahead and give it a nice big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed yet. Make sure you hit that bell icon down below and you'll be notified when I post my newest videos. And of course, keep leaving those comments down below. I'll see you guys again very soon. Bye guys.